what's up everybody? So today I found some Evolutions packs. And it's crazy, I found these at Family Dollar. So me and my girlfriend are going to be doing a pack battle with these Evolutions packs. I'm going to be doing these two. She's going to get these two. Whoever wins gets to open XY Primal Clash, my bad. So just give me a couple seconds, I'm going to open these up. And we're going to get right into it. Alright, so I got my two out of the wrapping. I'm going to open this one up first. That one's crispy. And here's her 2 packs. Didn't open them. She gets to open them. Alright, so let's get into this one. Nice crispy Blastoise. Alright. So excited. So excited. And you guys get the code card for these. For every one of them. Because I do not use them. There you go. 1, 2, 3 from the back. Alright. We got a trainer card. Haunter. Flying Pikachu. Machop. Another Pikachu. Magneite. Ponyta. Sandshrew. Reverse Hollow. Let me clear my throat, my bad. Reverse Hollow Machop. And a regular rare Starime. Alright. Let's get into the Charizard Evolutions pack. Come on. Struggle so bad with these. Alright. A little quicker that time. A little quicker. Code card for you guys. 1, 2, 3. Come on, let's get something good. Alright, we got a trainer card. Another trainer card. Another trainer card. Diglett. Voltorb. Machop. Growlithe. Energy. Oh my god. Reverse Hollow Charmeleon. And a Slowbro EX. Alright, guys. So let's recap. Actually, I'm going to put some sleeves on those. So we got the Slowbro EX. Reverse Hollow Charmeleon. That is beautiful. That's a beautiful card. And we also got a Reverse Hollow Machop. Alright, so I'm going to hide my card. She has no idea what I got. And she's going to open hers. Alright, we're going to see if she gets a better pull than me. You guys remember what I got. Hopefully I win. Uh-oh. Oh, that's sweet. Alright, got one more pack. So far, I'm winning. That's a nice card, that one. Why is that upside down? And oh, I won. Alright, so I won, so I get to open this pack. Let me just open it real quick. Alright, let me get into this one. Show you guys the front. Oh, that one opened easy. Code card. Alright, I don't know all the names for these, so I'm not going to read them all. Ooh, and ooh, that's sweet. show you guys all the cards we just pulled. Got the Gardevoir EX, Nidoran Reverse Holo, Energy, Nidoqueen Reverse Holo, Slowbro EX, and we got the Charmeleon Reverse Holo, and the Machop. Alright, that's everything. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button, like button, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video.